Make dinner in a pumpkin with me. This is a family holiday favorite that I've been making for over 30 years. It is a great centerpiece to your Halloween dinner, and everybody will love the presentation. The first thing you want to do is get a pumpkin that is going to be nice and round and wide so that you can stuff it with your filling. Carve it and take all of the seeds out. Once your pumpkin is carved, place it on a foil-lined baking sheet. Next, steam your rice. You're going to brown your ground beef, celery, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. You can do this all together if you use lean beef. I also season the ground beef with a little seasoning salt. I then add a dash of pepper. I save the mushrooms until the very end because they cook a lot quicker than the rest of the vegetables and meat. Once everything is browned, then you add your mushrooms and cook them just a little longer till they soften. Then you tell your puppy how cute she is. Next, you drain your ground beef. Set your beef aside and mix up your ingredients for the sauce. You would then want to find the biggest bowl in your kitchen so that you can combine your steamed rice, your ground beef mixture, and your sauce all into the bowl and stir it until it's a nice consistency. It should look something like this. You will then scoop all of your mixture into your pumpkin. Wipe off any mixture from the outside of your pumpkin and put the lid on it. You're going to cook the pumpkin at 375 degrees. When it comes out, the juices have oozed into the mixture and it just creates the most amazing taste. Now you also can cut the sides of the pumpkin and serve it as a squash with your meal.